Hello dear students, welcome back. So we are solving exercise 3.3. In previous video we solved question number 3 subpart 2. In this video we are going to solve the question number 3 subpart 3. So let's start. So this is a word problem, and the fact of this problem is, first you have to construct the linear equations and then you have to solve this question. Understood? So let's see what is the question. Question is, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later C buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So in this question there are two statements. First statement is cost of 7 bat and 6 ball together is 3800, and in the second part the cost of 3 bat and 5 balls together 1750. So first you have to make the linear equations. Okay, so you have to find the value of each bat and each ball. So let the cost of each bat is rupees X and each ball is rupees Y. Okay, so cost of each bat is X rupees and each ball is Y rupees. Now the statement was first 7 bats and 6 ball. So if cost of each bat, that means cost of one bat is X rupees. Similarly, cost of 7 bat will be 7 into X, that is 7X, and cost of 6 balls, that means 6 into Y. So together, so according to the question, by the given information or given question, given condition, लिखते पारी, the given condition, first 7 bat, cost of 1 bat is X, so 7 bat will be 7X. Okay, and 6 ball, that means 6Y. Okay, together cost is 3800. Okay, understood? Similarly, later 3 bat, that means 3, each bat cost is X, so 3 bat buys, so cost of 3 bat is 3X, so 3X, together 5 balls, so 5 into Y equal to 1750. Okay, so this is the two linear equations. This is 1 and suppose this is 2. So now we are going to solve this linear equations in the method of substitution. So first, you know, in this method what you have to done, first you have to express one variable from any of the equation in the other variable. So from first equation, from 1, 7x plus 6y equal to 3800, or 7x equals to 3800 minus 6y. Okay, or x equals to 3800 minus 6y divided by 7. So this is equation 3. Okay, so from you have to put so I express x in form of y. So now we will put this value of x in the another equation. So from 2 3x plus 5y equal to 1750, or 3 into x means this value 3800 minus 6y divided by 7 plus 5y equal to 1750. Okay, understood? Or then find the LCM 7, that is 1750, and this will be this one 11,400 minus 18y plus 735y. Okay, or that equal to 11400 minus 18y plus that is plus 17y equal to 750, or 17y equal to into 7 here. Okay, this 7 will multiply in the right side, so this is 0 5 12,000, this minus 11,400, this will go to the right side, that equal to 17y equal to 0 5 8, so 850, so y equal to 850 divided by 1750, so y equal to 50. Understood? Is the value of y. Now put this value in equation 3. Put y equal to 50, then x equals to 3800 minus 6 into 50 divided by 7, that is 3800 minus, this is 300 divided by 7, that is 500 by 7 500, so x equals to 500 and y equal to 50. So in beginning of the solution I have suppose that cost of each bat is x, so value of x is 500, so cost of each bat is 500, and cost of each ball I have taken in the beginning, it is y, so the cost of ball is y. Okay, so the cost of each bat is 500 rupees 500, and each ball is rupees 50. Understood? So I have solved in part wise this problem. First I made the equations whatever given in the statement, then I have solved part wise. First find the value of y, then find x value of x, and this is the cost of each bat and ball. I think all of you understood. Thank you.